So today looks like we're gonna try prep the AE86 for Knuckle Up final bout after party, and we're gonna do some other stuff too.
I know shit is rough doing your bid. When the cops came, you should've slid to my crib. Fuck it, black, no time for looking back, it's done. Plus, congratulations, you know you got a son. I heard he looks like you. Why don't your lady write you?
Okay, so first part of drift prep. I'm gonna try to get the e-brake handbrake working. This is the stock on the GTS rear end, and we're gonna replace it with Hawk HP pads. I've heard good things about it. I do have Project Moo D1 pads on order, but seems it's not in stock, and I'm probably gonna cancel that order. So we'll try these out and see how they do and see if they lock up or not. One of the problems, this one is not locking up. I think these are like stock AutoZone pads. I don't know, they're not locking up. So we'll switch them out, adjust the e-brake cable and everything else. Okay. So what you want to do is get the most slack. Get slack out.
Check out the story yesterday when I was walking. That nigga is shot last year, trying to appear like he heard something. Word him up, I heard him frontin', and he be pumping on your block. Your man gave him your Glock, and now they run together. What up, son? Whatever. Since I'm on the streets, I'ma put it to a cease. But I heard you blew a nigga with an ox for the phone piece.
That did not feel good. Shit, almost fell. Okay. This comes out and this should swing up. Okay, you swing this up, and the rear brakes on this, they're the spinning piston style that you push in. You're supposed to align the pads, I guess this little nub with the pistons. Let's put the pads back in. That's not good.
I should have seen you with trouble right from the start. Took me so many lessons. I'm not the best for working hard. So many questions. When this began, we was the perfect match for that. We had some problems, but we working at it, and now the arguments are getting loud. I wanna stay, but I can't help but
one side.
So it'll wait. Just take my hand and understand. If you could see, I never planned to be a man. It just wasn't me. But now I'm searching for commitment and other arms. I wanna shelter you from harm. Don't be alarmed. Your attitude was the cause. You got me stressing. Soon as I open up the door with your jealous questions. Like where can I be? You're killing me with your jealousy. Now my ambitions to be free, I can't breathe. 'Cause soon